So as I've been walking through Real Estate Real Talk with Tim Weisheyer, you've heard me cover a number of topics and a lot of important information about the reality of what's happening in real estate. And as I wrap up the series with you today, what I really want to talk about is the cost of waiting. The simple truth of it is that interest rates are still sitting at a really good place. I know some people don't think that and they don't feel that because they're basing it on these incredibly and historically low interest rates that we saw over the last number of years at 2.5% and 3.5% and even 4%. But I have to be honest with you, and as I shared earlier, a 5.5% or 6% or even a 6.5% interest rate isn't bad on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. In fact, let me correct that, it's actually good. What I want you to hear though and understand is that interest rates are not necessarily always expected to go down. And so if you're choosing to wait, I want you to see maybe a little bit of a visualization of what the cost of waiting really could mean. Assuming you're buying the exact same home in the exact same market, but you're waiting just a little bit longer. Home prices do continue to increase, and that is expected to continue in the coming months and years ahead of us. So you try to buy the home in 2022, let's say, and you say, well, I don't want to because interest rates are at 5.5%. Well, then you wait a year, you sign another lease extension, maybe a year and a half later, you come back and you say, now I'm ready to go. Well, that same house at $300,000 now may be $325,000, $327,000. The problem is if interest rates are higher as well, which they very well may be, what you really did is actually leave a lot of opportunity on the table for yourself. And you can see just by this example, it would cost you more than $200 more to buy the exact same home every single month simply by waiting. So the truth of it is, waiting to buy real estate isn't a smart play. Buying real estate now and allowing home equity to accumulate over time is the key. And if interest rates decline in the future, you can refinance, you can lock in a lower rate, and you can still build equity at the same time. So my encouragement to you in this wrap up is don't wait to make decisions regarding real estate. If you're looking at downsizing, let's have a call. If you're looking at upgrading or building a new home, let's have a call. If you're thinking about buying a first home, let's have a call. If you're thinking about maybe transitioning from being a renter to building wealth through real estate, let's have a call. The truth of it is, whatever it is you need, I'm here to be a trusted real estate resource for you. And I'm always going to share with you the real estate realities. So let's stay connected.